Hello guys, my name is Julio Foppoli and I want you to speak Spanish like a pro. The whole alphabet. If you know the alphabet in English and Spanish, you know it's kind of like the same. We have a few additional letters here, but for the most part it's basically the same. We start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R. Now this one, notice this, double R, that's R. And this may be a difficult sound for some. Okay, try this. R, R, R. Think of an engine, that's R. And then S, T, U, B. Now notice in Spanish we don't have any real difference between this one, B, and this one, B. We don't say B, V. We don't say that. In both cases we pronounce it the same. B, B. W. Now, importante, something very important. In Spain, people call this V, V, instead of B. And they also call the W, W, instead of W. X, X. Y, that's a tough one. Y, Z. And here's the whole alphabet. Now, if you see my classification, these columns, it may seem a little bit weird at the first glance. Why did this crazy guy put this like this instead of the regular alphabet? But what you will find is that the ones in each column, they follow a certain pattern. For example, all the ones in the first column, they have the sound A, like A, H, J, A, here, K, Z. Yeah, so they all have the A somewhere there. A, H, J, K, Z. The ones in the second column, yes, they have this E sound there, right? B, C, D, E, G, P, T, B, W. Now, the ones here have some sort of a sandwich. They are sandwiched between E sounds. Like F is F, F, L, L, M, N, N, R, S. Now, the ones here have the sound E in them. E, X, Y. Y. Well, this one is alone, poor thing. O. And here, all these ones have the sound U in them. Q, U, W. But now, before we go on, the whole alphabet, yes! Get ready for the second exercise. Just grab a pen and a piece of paper and copy the chart on the right. If you need some time to do that, please pause the video. You will hear someone, aka me, spelling out some words. Each word will be repeated 3 times before the answer is shown. Come back to this exercise as many times as you need. More practice in future videos. So get ready, let's go. Número 1, number 1. H, O, N, E, S, T, O. H, O, N, E, S, T, O. H, O, N, E, S, T, O. And the word is honesto. Honesto. Notice that the H is mute in Spanish. So we wouldn't say honesto. We say honesto. And notice how every single sound retains their individual quality. Honesto. Honesto. Now let's get ready for number 2. Número 2. A, L, E, J, A, N, D, R, O. A, L, E, J, A, N, D, R, O. A, L, E, J, A, N, D, R, O. And the word is Alejandro. This is a name. Alejandro. A, L, E, J, A, N, D, R, O. Notice how the J sounds in Spanish. It's like it's pronounced J, but within a word it's like kind of like the H in English. Alejandro. Alejandro. And now let's get ready for number 3. D, A, N, I, E, L, A. D, A, N, I, E, L, A. One more time. D, A, N, I, E, L, A. And the word is Daniela. D, A, N, I, E, L, A. Daniela. Número 4. Number 4. Q, U, E, S, O. Q, U, E, S, O. Q, U, E, S, O. And the word is queso. Notice here, this is one of the special ones. Q, U, E, S, O. This in isolation, this is pronounced Q. But when we have this combination, Q, U, E, or Q, U, I, the U is mute. So this, it's like the U is not there. This sounds like k, k. So this could be queso, queso, not queso, queso, right? This means cheese, right? Queso. And if there was an I here, it would be ki, right? Ki. One of the very few tricky ones in Spanish. Most of them are very, very, very straightforward. Now, let's get ready for number 5. Número 5. J, U, A, N. J, U, A, N. J, U, A, N. And the word is Juan. J, U, A, N. Now, notice that the J in Spanish, as we said before, it sounds like Juan. Juan. Número 6, number 6. Intresante. Intresante. One more time. Intresante. Y la palabra es, the word is, interesante. 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 Which means interesting. Número 7. Kilometro. Kilometro. Una vez más. One more time. Kilometro. And the word is kilómetro. Kilometro. What you see here on top of the O, which is, some people call it acento, but the right word for that is tilde, but anyway, no matter what you call it, this shows that the word is stressed in this part. It means that the emphasis of the pronunciation falls on that syllable, on that letter in particular. So if I want to read this, I would say kilómetro. Kilómetro. That's the strongest one there. Notice that the K there, the k, sounds like ki. Kilómetro. So now let's get ready for number 8. Número 8. S P A N O L. S P A N O L. Una vez más. One more time. S P A N O L. And the word is español. Spanish. S P A N O L. Número 9. Z O R O S. Z O R O S. Z O R O S. And the word is zorros, foxes. Now, a couple of things. Z O R O S. Now here some people may call this, instead of saying R, like for the two, they could spell them out individually. R. So you will find that too. Z O R R O S. And that's fine. Regarding this first letter, Z, someone from Spain may say theta, like th. Zorros, instead of zorros, as we would say it in most of the world. And finally, number 10, número 10, P, A, R, Q, U, E. P, A, R, Q, U, E. P, A, R, Q, U, E. And the word is Parque. P-A-R-Q-U-E. Remember this combination, Q-U-E or Q-U-I, it's pronounced k. The U is mute there. Parque. Now, amazing job! If you got up to here, it's because you are really serious about your Spanish, about learning Spanish, so kudos to you. Congratulations. But before we go, I would like you to read these words out loud. We're going to do this. I'll say the number, I'll give you a couple of seconds, and then you say the word, and then I'll say it myself, and then I will say the word, and you can check whether what you said was right or not. Number 1. Número uno. Now it's your turn. Honesto. Yes, remember that the H is mute. Número 2. Alejandro. Remember that the J sounds like in Spanish, kind of like the H in English. Número 3. Daniela. Número 4. Queso. Q-U-E sounds que. The U is mute in this combination. Número 5. Juan. As we said before, the J here sounds like Número 6. Interesante. Número 7. Kilómetro. Número 8. Español. This little thing on top makes the N sound like ni. Español. Número 9. Zorros. This double R is very strong. Zorros. And the Z, if you like the Spanish from Spain better, this would sound more like zorros. Número 10. Parque. Amazing job! If you watched the video so far and you made it through here, through this grueling exercise, I really know that you are extremely serious about learning your Spanish. Now, something important. Practice this, go over this video, make sure you take notes. And please, if you found this video useful, please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That keeps the channel growing and helps me spread the word. And that's all for today. I'll see you in our next lesson. Adios!